Good morning, student. We have to see now types of reactions. Okay. Now there are several types of reaction. Out of that, the first type is the combination reaction. Now in combination reaction, what you find? Two or more reactants combine to produce a single product. How many reactants? Two or more reactants combine to produce a single product. So that type of reactions are called combination reactions. So two or more substances combine to produce single product. For example, let us take the example of quicklime. This quicklime, that is tuna, quicklime added to water. When quicklime is added to water, quicklime and water combine. These are two different reactants. Which one? Quicklime and water. They combine to produce a slaked lime, that is CaOH2. Okay, and lot of heat will be liberated. You can observe that you have to put this calcium oxide water precautions by taking precautions, because solution will boil and hot particle may enter your eye. So that's why we have to take a proper precautions, and you have to add this. It is so hot that the solution start boiling. Okay, so CaO plus H2 gives us COH2 plus heat. Okay, so lot of heat will be liberated over here, and this reaction takes place. Now this reaction is very known to you, clearly known to you. In old days, when the modern paints were not available, what people were doing? They will take a quicklime, adding into water and whitewashing the houses. Okay. Now CaOH2, calcium hydroxide, is the base, is a strong base. That's why when it is applied on the walls, what will happen? The microorganism present on the wall will be killed. That's why in ancient days, whenever, now also, our community is following this, whenever death occurs in our home, what happens? People used to whitewash the home. Why to whitewash? Because this calcium hydroxide, which is strong base, will kill the microorganism residing on the viruses, bacteria, fungus residing on the walls, and total home will be sanitized. Okay, that was the great concept in our Indian culture. Okay, so to whitewash the home, we were using it. Or if you are taking chalk and dip into the water, that wet chalk, the red chalk is what? Calcium hydroxide, COH. Okay, CaO plus H2 gives us CaOH2. Two or more reactants combine to produce a single product. So this is the combination reaction. Secondly, when coal is burned, where coal is burned? In thermal generators. For example, in Chandrapur is having mega thermal power station. So in this thermal power station, what is burned? Coal is burned. When coal is burned with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and heat. So two or more reactants combine to produce a single product, and lot of heat is produced. Using that heat, we heat the water. After heating the water vapors are produced. These water vapors are passed over the steam to the nozzle, the narrow nozzle, and will rotate the turbine. The rotating turbine will run what? Generator, and will generate the electricity. So whatever electricity that we are getting to us is coming from this reaction. What is the reaction? C plus O gives us CO2. This is also combination reaction. Now around 1 kg gives us 150 kilocalories of energy. This is carbon, whereas hydrogen is having highest calorific value. It is having 450 kilocalories per kilogram. Means near about thrice of that. पेट्रोल के ट्रिपल गुना आपको यहाँ पे ज़्यादा हीट मिलने वाली है. तो क्या होगा बोलो? एवरेज यदि अपने टू व्हीलर का 80 किलोमीटर है पर लीटर, तो 80 into 3 कितना हो जाएगा? 240. If we run off the hydrogen, but it is not used hydrogen as a general fuel. Why? Because hydrogen cannot be burned safely. It causes explosion. That's why latest technology is not able to burn it safely in vehicles. Otherwise, hydrogen is the best fuel for a vehicle. After combining hydrogen and oxygen, what is produced? Water and heat. So twice H2 plus O2 gives us twice H2. So two or more reactants combine to produce single product. So this is also an example of combination reaction. Okay. So enormous amount of heat is produced. Moreover, it's a lasting reaction. Twice H2 plus O2 gives us twice H2 plus 8. So these are the examples of combination reactions. What is combination reaction? When two or more substances combine to produce a single product, that type of reaction we call combination reaction. Example, quicklime, that is CaO, react with water to produce calcium hydroxide, that is slake lime plus heat energy is produced. Two or more reactant combine to produce a single product. Here, carbon plus oxygen react to produce carbon dioxide plus heat energy is given out. So two or more reactant combine to produce single product. Here also two or more reactant combine to produce single product. Twice H2 plus O2 produces twice H2 plus heat. So in this way, we have seen three examples of combination reaction. Have you understood the combination reactions? Okay. So like my channel Kurti Science Academy and share it with your friends and hit the bell icon so that new upcoming video will be appearing in your screen, on your screen. Okay? And work hard and remember all the positive and negative ions that you have seen, because all these formulae will form because of that ions only. So you have to remember all these ions that we have taken in the very first part of this chapter. Okay? Bye students.